side welded up. This side I had to basically weld here and here. There was some cut lines that I had to cut through, so I just, you know, welded those and then grounded these down, and basically ready to weld. Tubes are pretty much welded up on both sides, so let's get the truss on now. high steer arms onto the knuckle. The knuckle's already sandblasted. Basically, we gotta grind this guy down, and then there's these marks. I don't know if you can see them, but there's some marks that I gotta trim these off, these ears here, basically here and here, because this is the 07 knuckle. So we're gonna go ahead and start doing that and get these things fitted up, get them nice and tight, and then start burning them. Finished up the brake lines. I kind of forgot to record, and I got like in the zone, so there's some parts I forgot to turn the camera on and move it around, but pretty much brake lines are good to go. I just got to do some like brake line holders, like here, 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 and a couple that way. I might move them around, but yeah, getting there. Getting there. Axle's done, minus the front diff cover. I am going to run an aftermarket diff cover on this. It's going to be a ballistic diff cover. They are out of stock, so I just have to wait on that. No biggie, you can just slap that on. Other than that, the axle is pretty much ready to go. It is for a customer, so it will be a direct bolt-on. Now, mind you, most of the bracketry on this is off of what I got off of my Jeep Cherokee. So he wanted the exact same thing. He's running the exact same setup. So basically just mimic, you know, what I had done with my front axle. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment down in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. It wasn't necessarily a how to build an axle. It was just kind of me working, and you know, I usually work in my garage, and I kind of said, you know, maybe I should just start filming some of this stuff. You know, please let me know if you guys liked the video, if you guys would like to see more. I do plan on doing more videos like that, and you know, and more stuff like this, just kind of stuff that I do here in the garage. So go ahead and subscribe and like this video. And also, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.